Hi guys, Lens here. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can get the best possible pictures out from your phone camera, and this is if you have an Android phone. So basically guys, what you need to do, the first thing you need to do is to reset your camera. You can do so by going to the icon at the top, like a setting icon. So you can scroll down, and when you scroll down you can see reset settings. Then you reset your camera. The camera is now reset. Now if you want to also reset your camera, for some reason if that icon is not there, you can head over to settings. You go to apps, or if your phone have applications, you look for the camera app, then you go to storage, then you clear the data. You hit OK. Now that the data is cleared, you go into your camera, right? Some Android phones will have different settings. The settings for the camera is on default, like when you just got your phone brand new, after resetting it to factory settings. Now you need to understand how your camera works to bring out the best possible image. So right now our camera is on 3.4. so if we press here, you can see we also have full 1.1 and also 9.16. right now, for us to get the best possible images, we want to select the 48 megapixel, as that is the highest quality resolution that our phone camera can generate. Right, so let me just take it out of the case. Right, so some phones comes with multiple cameras that will do different things, and you just need to understand how your camera works to bring out the best possible quality from your photos. Now we also have portrait, and this option is to understand because this option create blurs, right? So if you have my finger, which is the subject, you can see that the background is looking blurry there, right? You can see that the background is getting blur because of this. It is the feature in which we are blurring the background. So if you actually look, you can see that the background is blur, right? So you need to understand how your phone function. You need to understand the best possible settings to get good quality pictures out. Now you need to ensure if it is night or day. This can help you a lot. So what you want to do, you want to go to more. And when you go to more, we have also different settings here as well for different occasions. You have food, you also have pro. In the pro mode, there's a lot of different settings as well, and you can get a lot of decent pictures from the pro. You can also change your ISO to suit the different occasions. So this is what is very helpful. The lower the ISO, especially if you are on the outside, it's better. If you're on a dark area, you can increase the ISO. You also have the white balance as well, in which you can set. So if you have an Android phone, these are settings in which you can use to bring out the best images possible. And if you want to keep it simple, guys, use the highest megapixel that your camera can produce. Use the camera with the highest megapixel for the best images, and also use the best settings possible. So guys, for any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section. I'll help you guys out. My name is Lens. Do like, share, and subscribe.